everyone, welcome back for another sublimation video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sublimate on these glitter jot notebooks. So I already went ahead and printed out my image. Now I do a lot of unicorn designs because my daughter, she really loves unicorns. And I'm doing this notebook for her, so I got this from Design Bundles. So the notebooks, they are 8 inches, but I don't want to remove the coils, even though you can. So I'm going to lose about a 1/2 inch here. So I printed out my image 6.5 by 7.5 inches. And then I'm just going to trim the paper down on each side. And that way when I put the design down, I'll just measure a 1/2 inch on each side to get it lined up. So I trimmed the paper down on both sides. So that was about 1 inch. I took off each side of the paper, and that's going to help me align it up on my notebook. So I have my Easy Press set to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to press my notebook for 55 seconds. So I already got a piece of butcher paper protecting my Easy Press mat, and then I'm just going to hang the notebook off the side of the mat. So I wanted to show you my paper is now just about 6.5 inches. So I'm just going to line the bottom up straight. And I'm going to measure a 1/2 inch on each side. That looks good. That way I know it's in the center. So I'm just going to tape it down with some heat-resistant tape. I think 2 pieces will be good. Just to make it a little bit easier to press it with my Easy Press mat, I'm just going to flip it like this. And then cover it with a sheet of butcher paper. And just be careful not to press your coils. So now I'm going to press it for 55 seconds, and that is at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm using light pressure. So I'm just going to wait a minute before I go ahead and remove this because it's going to be very hot, so I'll get back to you in just a minute. Okay, I just waited just about like 30 seconds. Now if you have some heat-resistant gloves, then feel free to remove it right away. It's just still very warm. I was just moving my ring light, that way you could see exactly how the notebook turned out. And the cover is folding up a little bit, so you can either place something heavy on it or just flip it like this, and then press it for about 5 seconds, and make sure to cover it with a sheet of butcher paper. So I'll go do that real fast and then show you. Okay, so I pressed it for 5 seconds. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than it was. But I think that these turned out so great, and I mean, just for $1 at the dollar store, I mean, you can't really beat that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.